Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Apeks Small Cargo Pocket. So this is as the name suggests, it's a small cargo pouch. They do a larger one that this one can then sort of bolt onto the outside of. This you can mount in a few various different ways, but it's basically just a bit of storage space that you can attach onto yourself, or more likely your BCD, to store some smaller bits and bobs. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives on a sort of a cardboard backer. It's got some actual sort of cool designs showing you how some of the pouches sort of attach to different pouches. This one in particular, the small cargo pouch, is quite handy to kind of look and see how it can sort of attach in different ways. But yeah, so a couple cable ties are quickly dispatched to get at the actual pouch itself, and then we can take a closer look. Okay, might as well start with the back. So on the back, so you have a couple sort of small loops, so you can thread a strap or through that, or thread it onto a strap. You have 4 grommet holes, so that you can sort of bolt it onto some of their other pouches. Pretty tough nylon Cordura material. That's really sort of robust stuff. On the side, so on this side of it, as you look at it, it has a small plastic D-ring attachment loop. You don't have that on the other side. On the front, just the Apeks logo embroidered onto the front, and then you have another sort of plastic D-ring to sort of one, you can attach things onto it, but more so that you can open the flap. Big section of Velcro is quite nice, so even when you've got plenty of stuff in, it's got plenty of grip to hold itself closed. On the inside, you have 2 small bungees, so I'd probably use that to attach some longer bungee loops to create anchor points, so you can attach things onto it, but you can use that however you so wish. And then on the inside, I won't show you in the camera because it's just very black. It's just a big open space. There's nothing else. There is a drainage grommet down at the bottom, but that's about it. Otherwise, it's just a decent pouch that you can store stuff in. A little bit too small for a mask, unless you have a really small like micro mask or something, but for general sort of bits and bobs and like a spool, you could probably fit a small DSMB inside of that. But yeah, decent sort of fair size, and it feels pretty tough. The overall finish of it is very, very nice. So yeah, a good little pouch. And that's the Apeks Small Cargo Pouch. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. There's going to be a link down in the description below so you can check it out. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.